Welcome to all. In this video, we will see about somoclonal variation and crop improvement. The term somoclonal variation refers genetic variation found to occur between the somatic clones in the plant tissue cultures. And this is proposed by the scientists Larkin and Scowcroft in the year 1981. Somoclonal variations helpful in the crop improvement in the development of disease-resistant plants such as late blight and early blight resistant potato varieties and high spot Fiji disease, downy mildew disease resistant varieties in sugarcane. Three types of variations observed during somoclonal variation. They are genetic variation. The regeneration R0, R1 and R2 progenies were analyzed for the genetic analysis. And second one is epigenetic variation. Here non-heritable phenotypic variations are recorded. And third one is physiological variation. This kind of variations are temporary. Over the period of time, these kind of variations will disappear. The causes for the variation are changes of mother plant origin, such as chimeral behavior explants will show variabilities, and explant-derived variation. The genetic changes arising in the culture are ploidy level changes that occurs due to endomitosis without spindle endoreduplication and spindle fusion, etc. The chromosomal structural rearrangements such as deletions, inversions, duplications and translocations also cause the genetic variation. In addition, the changes of the position of transposable elements cause the variations during in vitro culture. Apart from these, point mutations also occur that will happens to changes in the DNA sequence pattern. Other causes of somoclonal variations occurs due to lack of nucleic acid precursors in the growth medium and growth regulators either absence or abundance or low abundance, and composition of culture medium, culture conditions and effect of the genotypes, etc. The isolation of somoclonal variants. For that, the screening of large number of cells grow in vitro or regeneration of plants are observed for the detection of variant individuals. R1 progeny are scored for the variants and R2 progenies are evaluated for the confirmation. Cell selection is ideal one for somoclonal selection. A suitable selection pressure is applied which permits the preferential survival or growth of variant cells. For example, selection of cells resistant to pathogens are identified by presence of various toxins in the culture medium. Similarly, herbicide tolerant somoclones identified by presence of herbicides in the culture medium. Similarly, high salt is added in the growth medium for salt tolerant somoclonal variant identification. Similarly, several kind of components are applied in the growth medium as a selection pressure for the identification of novel somoclones. Some of the examples are for herbicide tolerance, the herbicides like Basta, glufosinate are added in the growth medium. For salt tolerance, sodium chloride or aluminum is added. Drought tolerance, mannitol or polyethylene glycol is added in the growth medium. For frost tolerance, hydroxyproline is added in the growth medium. Toxic principles related to pathogens are added in the growth medium for identification of pathogen resistant. The crop improvement achieved in several crops through somoclonal selections. Here we will see some of the examples. In sugarcane, high spot, Fiji virus, downy mildew, leaf scale resistant lines has been reported through somoclones. In potato, early blight, late blight resistant lines. In addition, desirable phenotypic such as tuber shape, duration, height and tuber color specific somoclonal variants has been reported. In rice and wheat, desirable plant height, duration, fertility, grain weight, quality traits such as amylase and gliadin content genotypes has been observed through somoclonal selections. In maize, resistant to T toxin genotype and male fertility genotypes are observed. And in Medicago sativa, dry matter yield, branch, leaf and petiole architecture specific genotypes has been reported. In tomato, the architecture of plants such as leaf, branch, pedicel architecture oriented genotypes and enhanced growth genotype and male fertile genotypes has been reported. In Avena sativa and Hardium species, plant height, duration, aunts or tiller specific genotypes are reported. In low-limb hybrids, the leaf and flower architecture specific genotypes are also reported, and high vigor plants are selected, and survival to stress condition also reported. Major advantages of somoclonal variation occur at high frequencies under the presence of selection pressure medium, and which is a great advantages. And some new alleles or even new mutations may be isolated, and it can shorten the breeding cycle for compared to mutation breeding. It will reduce up to 2 years compared to mutation breeding. A very effective selection for disease resistant method is somoclonal variation, and it is the only approach for the isolation of biochemical mutants. Limitations associated with somoclonal variations are it is applicable only to those species of cell cultures, and selected cell lines often show reduced or no regeneration potential. And third disadvantage is it shows undesirable features like reduced fertility, growth, or even overall performance. Thank you.